Today I am going to explain concat function of Excel, which means concatenate or join. Using this function you can join two or more text or strings or cell values together. Here I have text in this cell and in this cell. I want to join these two text. Just type concat. This is a very simple function. Actually there is an alternative ampersand or and character. That also can be used for joining text, but this function is comparatively easy to use. So let's see. I am selecting this cell, comma, this cell. So in this function you need texts. Okay, so text 1, text 2, text 3 separated by commas. Okay, so you can insert as many text as you want. I am pressing enter now, and as you can see it is combined, but you can see that here there is no space between is and statue. That's not how we want it, right? So what we can do is, after A2, comma, double quotes, space in double quotes, and this will be the text 2. So text 1 is this cell, space is the second text, and third text is this cell A3. Okay, so I'm pressing enter and you can see that now it looks good. Right, there is a space. In this function, instead of cell reference, you can directly type the text. Let's type here direct text. See, hi, how are you, with space. So you can join text using this function, and also there is one benefit of using this function. You can directly select the range. By range, I mean you can directly select multiple cells and it will work. See, it is working. But of course, you need to take care of spaces. Here we have 10 people, but there is empty cell in between. So what will happen? Let's see. Concat, and then I'm selecting this 3 cells. Okay. But you can see that still it is showing 10 people with no spaces in between. You cannot keep empty cell in between to add a space. Now here we have number, that is number formatted number, and text. So let's see what happens. See, it is showing 10 kilometer, but not the zeros and point. That is because this function will convert all the numbers in text format. So that's why it has taken only 10, not the point and 0 zeros. Now let's see next example. Here I have currency and text. See, like I said before, it is converting everything into text format. So it won't take this rupee symbol. And here we have date and time. If you do concat and then select these two and press enter, you can see it is showing some number. What is this number? This is actually a date serial. So what we can do is we can use text function inside this. Text function, inside that the value, this cell, comma, the date format. So what is the date format? DD M MM Y, double quotes complete, and then text. Inside it, select this cell and then comma in double quotes, HH for hour, colon, MM for minutes, SS for seconds. As you can see, now we have date and time. So here you can just add a text, that is space, so it will show it properly. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.